उससे पिछले वीडियो में हमने पाइथन स्ट्रिंग सीरीज का क्वेश्चन प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस किया था, कौन सा 18th, स्प्लिट स्ट्रिंग इनटू लिस्ट ऑफ वर्ड्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू solve this question problem. Join list into string. Okay, this one. Join list into string. पिछले प्रोग्राम में हमने इसका उल्टा किया था, हमने सेंटेंस को वर्ड्स में कन्वर्ट किया था, अब वर्ड्स को हमें सेंटेंस में कन्वर्ट करना है. सो लेट्स ट्राई टू डू दिस यूजिंग जॉइन मेथड, बिल्ट इन फंक्शन. नाउ वी आर इन VS Code and let's create a file inside this. Okay, हमें ज्वाइन करना है, ज्वाइन into sentence.py. This is our file name. Go inside this file and first we take some words equal to as a just apple. We can take different one. Python is easy programming language. Okay, now we have to join these words into sentence. So how to do this? We take result and double quote with join method, join built-in function, and write here words. So it will join all words into sentence. Then you can print sentence colon comma result. When you try to run this, it will automatically convert your words into sentence. This sentence, Python is a programming language. Okay, so this is our 939 question problem. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video is helpful for you. We can also find out this using different methods, but this is very easy to use. Okay, so thanks for watching.